lots with a 2K account? What's your risk management? Obsessed with cars or food? Both. What is the significance for multiplying trading accounts? I think it's consistency. Are you married? No. I swear I would love to get mentored by Ted. Yeah, lots of people do. How do you micromanage every trade with profits and losses? Easy. Focus on one trade and manage that trade. Have you always been a scalper? Check my IG page. Do you get high when trading? Nope, don't do drugs. Traders domain available in Canada? Nope. Which place do banks move their money in London, UK? Underneath the sofa. Are you Italian? Nope. What's your thoughts on oil? It went down. How much was my first account? For 1,000. What's your favorite weed? Dandelion. Forex is better than cocaine. Well, it depends if you have a drug addiction or not. Drink some water. I'll do that. US 30 tanking hard. Not really. I think the problem with upcoming traders is social media. I agree with that. Do you trade on a funded account or your own funded account, and what balance did you start with? A few thousand and it's my money. Boy, lots of weird questions that make no relevancy. Thanks for the brilliant breakdown. Not a problem. Ted, do you ever think about workshops at some point when COVID had passed? Yeah, I think about a lot of things when COVID passes. What made you decide with Raja to completely change the Forex game and become completely transparent compared to the gurus? I decided to do that. Well, Raja decided to do that because we were bored. Please save the live for 24 hours. In India, it's 3 a.m. and I don't want to miss your live. Well, you're not missing it. You're here right now. What cars do I have? I have several cars. Ted, I am just here to bless you because bless us daily. Thank you for blessing me. Your upper mustache looks like a bat. I am Batman. Holy shit, seeing your face for the first time. Were you surprised? Do you cook? Nope, too rich for that. Have a good evening. You too, sir. The way he's answering the question off the top of his head is amazing. Like, my mind don't work that fast. Yeah, I know. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's see. Do you plan out every day? Yep. Ted. Do you read trading books? Nope. Ted has Elon Musk's brain. No, Elon Musk has Elon Musk's brain. I have Ted's brain. How much money I start trading with? Does it matter? Nope, nothing matters. Ted, do you always risk 10 pips or aim for 1-1 reverse reward unless the runner goes ahead? Nope, check the YouTube channel below. I watched your interview with expert traders last month. That's great, thank you. Can you explain more on irregular withdrawals are important? I listened to your podcast, but please shed more light. Well, I mean, look at it this way. If you have no money in your pocket and you have money in your trading account, where would you rather have your money, in your pocket or your trading account? Do you ever have drawdown weeks and how do you deal with it? Nope, I trade 1 or 2 trades a day. At what point at the beginning of trading did you become confident and consistent with your strategy? About 8 months in. Do you trade funded account and what was your starting balance? I trade my own account and my own balance was a couple thousand. If you feel like giving up on trading, what would you do? Did you have a moment too? Well, I mean, if you feel like giving up on trading, that means you're not passionate about trading and you should find something you're passionate about. What interests do you have? Do you have any hobbies? Yeah, I like to gamble. I like to go eat. I like to sleep. I like to work on gardening. I do gardening and landscaping. I also build things. I also like to wash and detail cars. Play video games. And then I like to walk around the mall, but we can't do that now. So sometimes I just like to stare out the window. I watch a lot of TV, and then what else do I do? Oh, I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I like to write jokes. I don't have good jokes, but I write them. I like to think I'm funny, but I'm funny to myself, and that's what matters. Are you fasting? No, I'm not fasting. I'm slowing. Ted, you look rough, bro. Hope you're doing well. Yep, this coronavirus has really destroyed my hair. Let's see what we got here. Higher win rate or higher risk to reward? Well, it depends. If you have a good win rate with proper risk to reward, you should be okay. Ted, have you ever considered writing a book about your thoughts about life experience? Your mindset arouses a lot of interest and people buy it would be cool. I'd probably go one step further and make a Netflix documentary. The Netflix documentary would be called Ted. Not to be confused with Ted the movie, but it would just be Ted. Uncle Ted, you're the Muhammad Ali of trading. I look up to you. Well, I wouldn't look up to me because I've gone through a lot of things that you shouldn't have to go through. How many trading years experience? 40. Let's see. Wicks more important in support and resistance trading. Wicks are always important. How do you keep a straight face for so long? Easy. Focus on the questions and not what you're looking like. Are you on drugs? Nope, I don't do drugs. Do you and Raja talk during Asian session like you do in the morning? We talk 24 hours a day. We have a private group that we chat in all the time. What questions do you want to be asked? Well, I mean, you can sort of ask any questions. It just doesn't mean that you're going to get the answers you like. Ted, I just want to say thank you so much for you and Raj to teach me. That's not a problem. Trader's domain available in Canada. Nope. What's your favorite color? Blue. How often do you take one-to-one risks or trades? Not very often. Where are you from, Ted? Canada. You live alone. Yeah. Tips on not to fall in love with a toxic woman. Yeah. Don't chase people. Ted, why are you so sexy? I like to thank my parents for that. You guys do a great job on Wix Don't Lie. That's great to hear. Do you have webinars, courses where you are a mentor? Yeah, I do, but no one can have them. USD CAD falling. That's great to hear. If I close buy, sell stocks before market close on US 30 and opens with a gap, will my automatically orders be in profit then? Probably. What's my daily routine? I wake up at about 6 o'clock, have some breakfast, check emails, get on some conference calls, do some stuff, jump into the Wix Don't Lie sort of session. Whoa. Lights went off on my computer and that scared me. I do that and then I go and I start my day. Have you watched The Men Who Built America? No. What did your reps tell you about the place in London where banks have money? Well, not too much. Let's see. How not to get scammed by people in Forex? Follow the YouTube channel below. What's my favorite car to drive? I like driving my Tesla. Let's see. Do you recommend Wix Don't Lie webinar? Sure. Please describe success in Forex in one word. Good question. Patience. Do you think we can legally trade? We can trade Forex legally from India? I don't know. I don't live there. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Hey man, what would be the one piece of advice you give to a new trader? Check the YouTube channel below. Who's making you stir fry? I guess I am. Ted, who have you seen make the most profits for motivational purposes? Bank of Montreal, they made about $3 billion the other quarter in revenue. Also, Amazon. Amazon did really well that last quarter. Is there a resistance level around 1740? Yes, there is. Who do you think spread corona? People that were infected. Are you on drugs? No. Just look at that upper mustache. It looks like a bat. That's cool. Do you believe that secret societies exist? Yeah, and they're keeping a good way of keeping secret. They're staying secretive. How much sleep do you get? About 4 hours a night. What's your favorite day of the week? Any day that ends in Y. What's with the funded account fad lately? It's a new shiny toy on Instagram. How long have you been trading? A long time. Do you think cryptocurrency has a chance of becoming adopted in society over the next 10 to 30 years? Sure. Do you have a morning routine? Yep, I take a shit. I'm glad I made Ted smile. That's good. I think he likes his Tesla. That's cool. Can you show us your house? No. Do you keep a trading journal? Yes, I do. All right. How old am I? I'm 40. Do you use Hugo's Way? No, I don't. Show us a table you did a couple days ago. It's not finished. How long will the live YouTube streams go on for? As long as Wix Don't Lie decides that. Watch Rick and Morty? Yeah, I do. Do you host any challenges on your broker? No. How's the lawn? I weeded it today and I also fed it with nutrients. By any chance, do you meditate? Nope. How long have you been trading? A long time. Do you believe that some people are unable to trade with the right attitude, mentorship, everyone can be profitable and work hard? No, because some people are risk adverse. How's the 7 figures profit? How's the feel 7 figures profit? I don't know what that means. Have you ever eaten pacoas? Nope. What's your favorite day of the week? Hit up Brian Blends if you'd like a haircut on the house. I got you. Okay, well, as long as he's in Toronto and he's mobile, that'd be great. Can you tell us your rough times? Sure. The last, between the ages of 28 or 25 and 33, that was rough times. Did you know they named TED Talks after me? Probably not. Is there one common advice you want to give to all traders? What would that be? Have patience. Am I a millionaire? Yes. How many years of trading you became so profitable? Many years. How did you manage to compound profits and manage your profits? Just by understanding the long-term game. What time frame do you trade from? Check the YouTube channel below. Where do I live? Canada. I know a fire barber in Toronto. Whenever I pull up, he be blessing. Well, if he's under $10, I'll take him. Please update your site with more payment methods. Yeah, we have credit, debit, ACH up right now. How long will the YouTube streams run for? As long as Wix Don't Lie does it. What's the world coming to? Probably to an end. How is Trader's Way different from Trader's Domain different from Hugo's Way? Well, the name is one. What are the requirements to start a broker? Well, you probably have to figure that out for yourself. Any cool pets? Nope, I don't have cool pets. Yo, Ted, you're a beast. Learned so much from you. Great to hear. I appreciate that. How to buy your mentorship? Please tell me. If I told you, I'd have to kill you. Do you ever take buy or sell stops? Yes, I do. What's your top tip to become successful in trading? Patience. Is there resistance around 1740? Yeah. What's the last book I read? I get a monthly magazine subscription from Porsche. I read that. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color of the week in the alphabet 1 to 10? I don't know if you can have a color in the week in the alphabet 1 to 10. I don't know. What does your trading setup look like? Well, it's got a lot of stuff on my desk and I got monitors. Ted, do you keep your trading social life balanced or was it messed up and you lost a lot of people? I don't have a lot of friends to begin with. What kind of Tesla? A Ludicrous Plus Tesla. Convince Raja to make merchandise that says makes sense or you make merchandise that says check pinned comment below. Yeah, that's a lot of work. What kind of business ideas would you invest in if you were to? Profitable ones. If I close buy stops and sell stop closes on US 30 and opens with a gap, would my orders automatically be in profit then? Sure. What do I get in the webinar that I don't get in the YouTube streams? Well, you probably have to ask Raja Banks. How much source of income do you have? I have lots of source of income. How do you spend screen time when you're learning to trade? What to look for? Always ask why. What size account do you trade with? A large size. Do you have any stock you own? Yes. You say you're from Canada, but you use Trader's Domain. How is that? Well, some people are born in one country and then move to another country and have dual citizenship. That's how. Regards from Spain. Always learning with great people like you. Great to hear. How much time is it required for the average person to become a consistent, profitable trader? Well, I think if you take 4 days and 25 hours, divide that by 3, and find the sum of all its components, you'll have the answer. What's the most favorite thing you own? The most favorite thing I own is my microwave. What are the requirements to own a broker or to open it? Well, I think if you're asking those questions, you're not ready to do it. I see a double top on the mustache. Yep, that is true. Do you check the news before entering a trade? Yep, I do. Do you believe in ghosts? Yep, I'm also a honorary Ghostbuster. Is there a Forex trader you admire? I look in the mirror and I see him. Is Corona a hype or should we be worried? Well, it depends if you're allergic to alcohol, because Corona is a decent beer, but maybe you don't like it. What's your favorite color in the week alphabet 1 to 10? I don't understand that. Am I a Forex trader? Yeah, I guess I could say that. Stupid thing. Oh, sorry. Man, it's not scrolling up. Stupid screen. What's your favorite car to drive? The cars that I own. Can you save this live? No. What is Forex? Forex is the exchange of currencies. Oh shit, man, this made my fucking day. That's great to hear. Do you know what Forex is? I think the question should be, do you know what Forex is? Hello, Ted. Did your flowers arrive yet? Yes, they did. Let's see. Do you drink distilled water? No, I drink it from my fridge. How many hours should I spend on the chart a day? Well, I mean, that depends on how much time you have available. Have you ever heard of Forex trading? Nope, thanks for introducing it to me. Monty or Raja, who is a better trader? Does it really matter? How could sometimes some brokers do fill orders? Does it really get pasted to the liquidity providers or is it the broker? Well, you can email them. Hey, Candace, how's everything? Hope everything's good. Any tips on coping with losses psychologically? Yep. Gain more experience and more education. Do you knew that Forex Rob is from IML? Did you know that Forex Rob is from IML? Yeah, he's the market. Would you suggest to trade a funded account or a personal one? Well, I mean, do you want to be a prostitute or do you want to be a pimp? That's usually the choice, right? Do you feel better going through these Muppet questions? Yep. I'm like the two old guys that sit in the rafters at on the Muppet Show. What do you think for I am? I am waste of time. Is Bill Gates a psychopath? I think that's psychopath, right? For playing guess the word. Yeah, probably. Tips for psychology during trades. Plan more, execute less. I love your responses to dumb questions. Oh, I try and keep them entertaining. What style of trader would you say you are? A profitable one. Hey Ted, I always trade with the trend from zones, but when I go to trade the 30-minute candle, for example, goes up 10 pips and the next 30-minute candle goes almost back to zone, goes further. Oh, that's unfortunate. Maybe look at the higher time frames instead of just one. You're a cutie. Oh, thank you. How are you so consistent? The same way I answer questions. Stay stoic. Let's see. What's up? Does your broker accept U.S. clients? No. Will the market always exist? Well, if it doesn't, we have bigger problems than that. What do you think about trading using volume? It works if you're in a centralized exchange. Minimum lot size for your US 30 on your broker, probably 0.01. Just wanted to say on behalf of everyone that we really appreciate everyone in the streams help us learn. That's great to hear. Do you go back years of losers? Do you go back year after a strong of losers? Yeah, I also work for the Avengers. How does the 100 lots affect your psychology? It doesn't. Where did you learn about Forex on the internet? Is it true ESMA are about to change the offered leverage for the broker? Probably. How can't you be greedy when you're in profit? Easy. Don't worry about the profit. What's your favorite Porsche? The one I own. Do you own a Porsche? Yes, I do. When was the last time you lost a trade? The other week. Not a question, but wanted to thank you for all the free knowledge you provide. Wicks don't lie. Great to hear. Have you got into algorithmic trading? Yes. Can you show your setup? It's just 3 monitors. I want to buy your mentorship. How to buy? You don't. Do you simplify trades? Yep. Check the YouTube channel below. Do you watch Dragon's Den and Shark's Tank? Yeah, if I want to see people beg for money. I haven't got friends either. That's okay. You can be my internet friend. What are your sources of income? My businesses. Do you keep money in the bank or crypto? I keep them in both. What are your thoughts on trading robots? Well, I would wonder who's trading them first. Where are you originally, if I may ask? From my mother's womb. Why do you always say I shouldn't trade at 18 years old? Because you probably need to do other things in your life. So you have super targets for runners or just keep trailing stop? Well, I just sort of look to see where something's profitable for me to go. What's your average win and loss? I don't know that question. Don't ever shave. No, I have to shave eventually. Do you ever take time off the market so you never get psychologically drained? I take time off the markets all the time. What are the specs of the PC you used to trade? It was a gaming PC that I modified. What style of trader do you think you are, scalper? Most memorable moment trading, good or bad? Just making my first withdrawal. Do you have an Android? Yes, I do. Have you ever tried Chick-fil-A in Toronto? No, I tried it in the States though. Do you have a Samsung fridge? Yes, I do. TED is greater than the scammer mentors. Oh, that's good to hear. Do you own Bitcoin? Yes, I do. Ted, why is the sky red? Probably because there's fire. No, there are many reversal candlesticks, but what is